blending. S350BL. Currently on shortwave. Shortwave number 2. There's the light right there. The light is working. The screen has a little bit of hazing on the plastic. Looks like it's been wiped with something abrasive at one time.
Okay.
This is a little wobbly right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what's causing that. Could be something loose inside.
Okay.
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 It's, almost 5 p.m. my time here.
Okay.
This is SW3, 2, 1. 5 a.m. Let's see, let's go to Boston.
Okay.
This is about
How
50
much
miles from here.
temperature?
Okay.
Okay. No, okay.
That's picking up Boston. That's aim it in the right direction.
Okay.
That's 61 tone. Can't really tell the days. A little bit. Doesn't make a big difference. I think this is just for shortwave. Not a bad looking unit. Antenna straight. And we'll just put the antenna back in.
Okay.
Does blue there, but it appears to be working. I have an adapter for it. I've never used it. A little adapter right here. I have it strictly on battery.
Okay. Okay. Switch back. Okay. Okay.
Okay, here's a quick video of my Browning Golden Eagle Mark IV. This is a gorgeous radio. My own radio that I've had for
Okay.
without all the flashlight noise. In the pictures I'll have this opened up so you can see everything. A friend of mine who used to be in the military that he was into advanced electronics to do this radio for me. I don't know exactly the specifications he bought it. He said he wanted to bring it back to factory spec. And he kept the King, he said that was the factory King. And I'll let you hear it yourself. This is also included here with the Golden Eagle. Very nice mic. Excellent shape. Not many.
Okay. 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 Right. Okay. Okay.